Hi guys, welcome to this episode on AD Stitches on how to chalk out a native top. First thing first, the length of the measurement is 34 and we add a 2 inches sewing allowance to it. I added 2 inches sewing allowance to it. You can see that length is 34 and we added 2 inches sewing allowances. That's me making a straight line to check it out. And here goes the neck. The wideness should be 2 and the length should be 3. That is for 16 above. Once neck is 16 above, do this side 2, length 3. And here we chalk it together, make a coffee line. And it is slanting for the shoulder. Now you have a slanting part, so do it 1/4 and then connect it down to the next side. Like most times you see your top is always slanted because the shoulder is not straight, it falls, so the clothes must also fall for the balance and proper shoulder. That's me cutting it out. You have to cut that first before we can take a measurement of the armhole. This is the neck too, cutting the neck out. You have to cut it. You have to be straight and curvy. See how it's sharp and neat. So here goes the shoulder. The shoulder is 20, which is 20 by 2, that is 10. And for the armhole, we do it 7. The armhole is also always the arm side where the sleeve will enter. And the body is 40 by 4 plus 1.5 inches. That's me cutting it out. And cutting the armhole, do the body too. I think it's still more explanatory and easy to cut. It's going to take. And here's the final cutting. You can see how clean and neat it is. Kindly send me a comment, drop me